It's very unfortunate what's happening to Arnab. Uh, but I believe that if Arnab has to get out of the situation and we have to collectively get out of the unfortunate harassment and victimization, then that solution only lies with the courts, because the courts of India are really going to give us the justice that we seek. If it's of course an ordeal and it's a trying process to be at, but I think in the end the truth will prevail and Arnab will come out stronger than he is at this point of time, and the people of India will see a new rejuvenated Arnab who will continue to go after the evils that exist in society more strongly. All we can do at this time and actually rely on is prayers, because prayers really have the power to move unfortunate situations. So my request to the people who support Arnab and the Republic TV, and my request to the people of India, the only way you can defeat evil is through the power of good, and the power of good is really comes to what really comes through prayer. So do pray for Arnab. Things will work out well, and I'm sure the hand of Ma Saraswati is on him, and he will be free soon from this ordeal.
There is a related question also to that. Do you think the central government should now intervene, because it looks like an emergency-like situation now?
Well, I do believe that the central government must do a little more than just voicing condemnations, because condemnations, according to me, is like a torn condom. It has no purpose, unless, sorry, I have to say that, but I'm just making an comparison. A torn condom has no purpose to the person using it, so is condemnation. What is really important is the fact that you act, because what's happening in Maharashtra is really a misuse of power, and everybody can see it. So I don't know under what laws that the center can do it. Some of them have been telling me that the center is working on it, and I'm willing to believe that. But then the people are not seeing it, and if people are not seeing it, then it's turning negative against the BJP itself instead of turning into a positive. So maybe at the end of the ordeal, maybe the BJP might have a plan in place. I don't know. But what is now being felt by the people on the ground level is a lot of disappointment as far as BJP is concerned, because they believe what is happening in Maharashtra is an emergency, which the BJP leaders themselves experienced, some of them in 1975, So they know how horrific it can be. It's not only Arnab. Look at the others that they have picked up. Look at the people that they are targeting. So Maharashtra has actually turned into a fascist state, and what you're seeing is police terrorism. It's very unfortunate, because the Mumbai police is respected, most of them. It's just unfortunate that under this political pressure, they're acting in as police terrorists, and that's not right. That sends a lot of fear to the common person. So I think BJP must step in. They must send out a message that the people of India will believe in. What that message is what the legal heads of BJP need to come up with. But the citizens are waiting for something very, very strong from the BJP.